Okay, so in today's video I'm going to talk about this Trotec dehumidifier and what is causing the problem with those, well, how can I say, it starts getting quite noisy over time. Like, I own two of those units for 2 rooms in my house, and what can I say, I own them, like each of them, for like a year, and they start making, well, quite a bad noise. Let me demonstrate it. I'll show you how to fix it, because I bet a lot of people have this problem. So, can hear it?
What?
Can hear it? Sometimes, like, no, it doesn't. Like, sometimes it just starts to make this noise, like out of the blue. Some other times it just stops and just, well, makes this other sound and like quite silent. Feel like normal. Sometimes it's just like, especially like, you take it out and sometimes put it back while it's on, or like you extract water and then put it back, turn it on. Sometimes it just starts like that and then just makes the same sound, like just like kind of like that. So I actually found out what the problem causes. So basically, over time those things suck in a lot of dust and, well, other particles. I had one of them once open to check what it is, and yeah, I found out it's quite a simple problem, since they use some PC parts in it, especially for the cooling. They're using can't remember right now, 80 by 80 millimeters or 140 millimeters. I'm not sure, but we will see in a moment. And seems like in the bearing, when dust comes in, like in this area around here, you see it? Where the engine is. Yeah, the motor actually. It collects dust and, well, starts to cause problems and also vibrations. Using some contact spray to clean it, and then some WD-40, some silicone lubricant. Good, so what do you need? Some prying tools, and, well, screwdriver tools. So first set, just to take out this one. What can I say? Things work pretty good. I'm going to clean the whole thing, so anyways. So as first, I see a lot of debris, dust and more. No wonder stuff causes also problems. But no problem, we are going to fix this and clean this thing up. So 2 Phillips screws as first. Hold here, this position. So, good. Those are 2. We've got a few there. Yes, this one is also a DIY magnet too. Yeah. See? Yeah. Good. It's that one too. I'm not sure about this part. I guess, did I remove this? No, I guess I didn't remove it and took it apart first. So let's see, where was the rest? I guess the rest of this part is just popping it off. So trim tools. Okay. No. Oh my god. No wonder it makes such horrible noises. Look at this. But yeah, this clips are one thing, a pain. Or yeah, it's the one side is cooling, other side is heating, and there is the fan in there. Like the fan is like, yeah, the fan was behind that. Okay, so next step, taking out both of the screws. Well, it's a little bit distracted here, but sorry, I can't give you a better view because I have to work too. See this screw down here, like here's one, over there is also, well, used to be one. Oh, no, look. Not basically just pops off. Okay. Oh. Bruh. There goes my WD-40. At least for now. Oh, is that? Ugh. I'm not sure whether it's dust or it's mold. It's quite late and I can't use my vacuum. Anyways, so this part, yes, I remember this one was the one which wasn't broken, because I have another one and I didn't took it apart from the upside. Yeah, okay, then this one is the like the newer one of those two. Okay, let's brush. Well, what can I say? It's a shame that they didn't include it like a, let's say, like a little plate or something behind that you can like open and service the fan way easier. It's a shame that they didn't include it, something like that. This would have saved a lot of pain and like a lot of, well, just thrown away products, because everyone's like, hey, that thing sucks, it's loud AF, so, well, time to eat it out. Yes, it's an 80 by 80 millimeters, but yeah, look, if you rotate it, sometimes you can even feel it, like, there's a slight fan vibration. So, now time to, oh god, how did I took it out the last time? I can't even remember. Yeah. Put it on and I'm going to show you, but hey, remember, always check the voltage, and it's just output 9 volt and 2.5 amps, so it's safe. You still shouldn't lick it or something, you know. On and see? Even vibrates in this state. But yeah, if you touch it, this one is the warm side. The intake is the warm side, this is the cold side. It starts causing vibration, and this is why. And this one. Oh my god. This is a... oh god. This is worse than like some PCs I've worked on. Oh god. Clean it. Just oh yeah, but if I turn it up like that, I've the vibration. So good. Oh look, it spins even faster than before. I still feel some vibration. Let's just blow stuff through. So. Okay. Enough pressure. I guess I need some new fans for this thing. Crap. It's annoying. I'm not sure. I guess it's an 80 by 80. To be honest, I guess I should just order me a new fan because this is stupid. Okay, let's see. It's an 80 by 80. Yes. Yes, 80 by 80. I'm going on to Amazon and order me two, and then well, next cut you see when I've got those two things, well, I'm going to replace this one and the other one for the second one, because it seems like this is an design flaw, or like that fan is just too cheap, you could say. It just starts to create too much vibration. So well, at least now we know. So new fan, and this must be fixed. Bruh. So okay, finally back. For you guys who are following me over on Facebook, you know what happened. I updated you. There was a lot of long story short, ordered one set of fans, turned out to be 1500 RPMs per minute. The old one is 3000. This one turned out to be a 3000er. Well, that was the first pack. Well, one wire piece, at least I got used for enough those fans. But yeah, long story short, besides that, ordered me two, which were the right ones, and yeah, it took forever. Then they came. When they arrived, they were broken, both of them, which really it drove me almost insane, this part, because it was so stupid. The guy who wanted, I talked with the seller. He was like, hey, okay, send them back, we return you, and yeah, we sent you two new ones. And I'm like, hey, that's cool. What is 3 weeks? Almost 3 weeks have passed, nothing. Contacted eBay, yeah, fixed the problem, got my money back, but yeah, found some 5 of those, like a 5-er pack over on eBay for just like 20 bucks with shipping, which were the right ones. Yeah, actually a little bit different than those which I ordered, but seems like they're working great. Have this one here connected with that, with my PSU here, and wow, Jesus. Oh, okay, it's working great. How's the heat? Yeah, okay. This one is the warm side, like this is the blower, which blows out there, it blows in. Yep, is cool and yeah, not really hot or something, and the other side is ice cold and yep, works finally. So basically to test those, because those weren't 2 pins, but I don't want it to, well, cut something again, bought me like, how can you say it, like a cable, like a fan splitter or something for an PC, basically. Cut this one off, yeah. Ketchup and mustard, but in this case, ketchup is what, and mustard is important because you see which is which. So negative, live, and this is the fan control. So I bought me this, so I know what I'm dealing here with. So I see which one's going in. So we only need of this one here, basically those two. So hack this one off. Make sure it's the right one. I'm just going to leave this alone. I need to test this for a moment just to see that it's right and working. So yes, make sure there won't be a problem with the yeah, good. This one's great. Perfect. Now also, please make sure if you're doing something like that, buy yourself one of those splitters, 3-pin splitters. I bought this one, like this was literally the cheapest thing over on Amazon. Cost me like $2 or like almost $3 with shipping. It's worth it. You can be sure which one is which. Negative is this here. I'm kind of one of those persons who are just like, just dip it into it first. There are probably some people who will disagree with me and be like, hey, it's not the best thing, but for me it just works like that, best way. Okay, this will do. And it works. Yes, it works, it blows, it works, it cools. Yes. Ah, that's fixed. Okay, well, there's a second one fixed, but I'm just going to put this thing together. I'm not sure, I guess I'm going to film the first part of the second one when I'm taking that apart, just to show you again how it's done, because the last time I was completely confused and was like, how in the hell is this thing even supposed to come apart? Just like this here. Come on. Yes. Yeah, when I touch it, it's running like 2 minutes right now. Yes, it gets ice cold in the back, and also at first, before I took it apart, I was like, hey, how is this even supposed to work? Is it blowing the dehumidified air out from there? But no, it's not really like that. It's basically it collects basically the water, and this is basically just the fan for the cooling part. Say it like that. I guess it's first I'm going to clean this thing. This is nasty as hell. Got 2 of them, so okay. Oh my god, what is this? Oh god, my household's literally the house of dust, or what the container. Yeah, okay, this is like that. This part here goes in the front, yes. And this one goes over here in the back. Okay, yes, right, it was like that. Some additional screws I took out. Nah. Yes, good. Also remember, when you do that, this part here, like, oh yeah, those cables there are just rotated along this part, and the head plate, it's up. Yes, it's like this. The head plate, you gotta put it on like the last. It's the last piece the first piece you take out, the last piece you put in. Oh yeah, I was actually wondering why are the cables rotated like that, but it's actually no problem because it's the cooler side, so only would get wet. So let's see, maybe I can rotate them like this. Yeah. But last one. Is it making? Oh my god. Can you even hear this? God, it's so silent. Okay, it's slightly maybe a little bit echoing, but Jesus, it was never that silent. Not even when it was new. Yeah, hey, it's a little bit noisy, but hey, it makes a noise. It's a fan. Crying out loud. But Jesus, man. Cool. See? Knew that there's a lot of dirt too. Well, not really hard dirt, but just dust. Ach gut, so. Oh. This can be a little bit irritating right here. Ain't there something to hold on a second. Could use some really thick black ones, but I'm going with too yellow. Keeps them somewhat in place, like here. Don't even have to be that tight, just keeps them all nice cable routed. Good, let's check it once more before I put it together, because I don't want to be surprised by some stupid crap here. So put it in, there. Stop function's working. It's a little bit bright here, but I guess you can see it. Yes, good. Good, this works. It's connected because I can't read it. Bruh. There's a hole there for screw, then must be some in, but seems like this one's just basically like a part which the designers were like, hey, you are supposed to go through screws them, but like some other person was like, yeah, we can skip those. Gotta be cheap, so, and cheaper for the production stuff. And they were like, yeah, let's cheap out on that. I guess those are coming in like at the end. First are, I guess, those in there. And I guess the very first are those down here. For this now. Oh god, come on, get in. Stupid thing is I have to hold it because I can't put it down because it ain't a square or something. Be like, most people would be like, hey, why are you testing it so often? Because I just want to make sure it's actually, how would it go in right now? So it has there, this clips. I guess those go in first, then this, and let's use some contact spray. Yeah, it's not like a temporary, it is kind of like a temporary lubricant. Yeah, there's actually something else too, but I don't have it right now, or also I don't bother, to be honest. If it works, it works. Make it redneck style here. Ah, come on. In. Oh god. Yes, I love plastic. Just love it. Plastic crap. But then when you're unlucky, something breaks. Oh! Oh! Nothing broke. No, this gap kind of looks a little bit off. And I said nothing broke. I just heard the clip clearly snapping somewhere. I bet you heard it too on the recording. Oh no. Whatever. Oh god, yes I can hear it. Yeah, whatever. Might fall out someday. Who cares? It works. It works. Last step. Tank. And guess let's wipe it off once, and yeah, first. Beautiful. This is like perfect. Good. Speaking of perfect, this thing looks really like it's perfect right now. Like a quick run. So, and works. It's quiet. I guess it's actually even quieter than before, like it ever was. Cool. Cool. Yes. I guess I might let this running somewhere in the corner. Just to. Oh, I guess I put this back into the living room. Yeah, let's put this back into the living room and get starting with the other one, with this one, which is a hell for nightmare. Oh my god. Good. Good. One done, another one to go. But yeah, this one, but let's say just a quick like time lapse of it without commentary. No. Now, oh my god, this one is worse. Ugh. Jesus, that's sick, boy. Just look, it's all dust. I can recommend you those fans which I've bought are from Arctic, silent version, like silent and like silent 3000 RPM. Just one of those. Does it say how much? No, doesn't say. Yeah, P8. P8's all good. Anyways, just yeah, quick look again. Good it looks. It literally, it looks like it's brand new again. Yep. It's like it was brand new. Well, what can I say? Isn't only a fix, but kind of like a I don't know, rebuild or almost a slight, yes, mild restoration. Let's call it like a mild restoration. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you liked it, and I hope I could help you. Oh, I wasn't really in yet. No, it's perfect. Perfecto. Sweet. Anyways, hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yep, see you all next time on random fixes and restorations with the next project. Won't be probably that, but I'm not sure. But maybe. Bruh. It's a magnet just. Come on, my paint job. God damn. Anyways, might be probably about this one. Still not finished, by the way. Still working on it. But anyways, see you all next time.